Hello Mercedes guys, I have 2008 R350 Mercedes, of course. I've been struggling with these tabs lately, the vent tabs. Two of them broken and come loose. Apparently there's a tip and locks them, the two covers together. When I mean cover, there's as you see, there's the bottom and the top, and then they get together with a clip or something. It's plastic. And they just broke, so I tried to fix them. I bought a super glue, tried to super glue them, but it didn't work. So I was thinking about another solution, how to keep those the two covers together. So I looked on the internet and I found this U-shaped spring stainless steel. I bought 20 of them from AliExpress for like $9. They're cheap. This is the bag. I'll put a link down below. All I did was I put the covers with a fork together, and then I just put this in just like that. Alright, try to put one now and see how. This is bad, by the way. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just trying to put it just in case, because this is an old car, about 13 years old car. So, and you just push it like that. That's it, and keep it in place. And now it's good. That's all you need to do. Just put it back and put this spring. These two, this one and this one, are good. I just put the spring just in case for. But the other ones, the passenger side and this one on the center, I put two of them. They were broken, and now it's working. That's a quick fix and cheap. They look okay. I mean, stainless still, but better than paying $60 for the vent or something. I don't know how much was it when I looked it up. All right, thank you.